Hi guys, welcome back to my beauty. Today we're doing deodorants. Yeah, DIY deodorants. Shut up. Anyway, so we're gonna do DIY deodorants, and I had to get a mic because apparently I talk so low. But anyway, so that's what's happening today. So we're gonna start off making our deodorant by, we got 4 tablespoons of shea butter. Now you can get unrefined shea butter or you can get refined. I got refined because I cannot stand the smell of shea butter, but it is better to use unrefined because that's the most natural, but it is what it is. So 4 tablespoons of that, right? Then I got 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Gonna put that all in there. I have a tablespoon of beeswax. And we're gonna put this in a bowl of water, really hot water. There's too much water in there. Anyway, and we're gonna let that melt, or put in a double boiler. Make a double boiler of some type. I don't care how you do it. But anyway, just do it that way. We're gonna let that melt, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the rest. Okay, we're back, and so I have a half a cup of cornstarch or arrowroot powder, whichever one. Get in there, ho. Yeah. And then I have 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Soda. All right, and then that's the mixture that we had earlier. That's all melted. We're gonna put that inside. And you're gonna whisk that all together. All right. Now I'm actually gonna make 3 different scents. So we're gonna break this up. Should have made more, but we're gonna do, this one's gonna be almond. This is gonna be more like a manly scent. So we're gonna do almond. 1 drop of almond because almond is really strong. A little bit of sandalwood oil. Oops. About 2 drops of cedarwood, if it comes out. And 2 drops of bergamot or bergamot. I don't know how the hell you say it. Bergamot. 2 drops of that. And we're going to give that a quick stir. Okay, and the next one we're gonna do, this is more of a scent for the ladies. We're gonna do, if it comes out, 1 drop of jasmine. Two drops of bergamot, right? Am I saying it right? Oh, that was 3 that came out, but. And 2 drops of patchouli. So I guess I didn't make enough for 3, but. And stir that up. And you can add more or less depending on how you want. I didn't have enough for my 3rd one, but my 3rd one is like a neutral scent that women or men could use. And for that one, you would just need lavender, eucalyptus, and lemon essential oil. So so I have my, these are some empty, what do you call them? Deodorant tubes. And I'm just gonna pour them in here. And you get the idea. It's not filled up, but y'all get the idea. You're gonna put these in. So the thing with these is, it depends on. Like I put beeswax in it to make it a little bit more hard, but if these set out, they could potentially melt. So you might want to keep them in the fridge. It just depends on how you mix them up. Actually, like I said, I put beeswax in it. You don't have to put beeswax, that's optional, but that's just to keep it a little bit more hard, and because summer's coming up, and so they might melt, but hopefully they won't. But anyway, that's all I got for you today, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you.